For off-roaders looking to go further off the grid, Ford today is debuting the new 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades Special Edition. Bronco Everglades introduces a class-exclusive signature snorkel. Designed and engineered by Ford, the snorkel, which runs up the passenger side A-pillar, optimizes vehicle performance in dust, snow and water by raising the engine air intake above nasty trail conditions. Front and rear axles, transfer case and transmission also offer raised vents for improved water fording. Combined, these design changes lead to water fording capability of 36.4 inches. Bronco Everglades is easy to clean after a weekend on the trails with standard marine-grade vinyl seats and rubberized washout flooring. New urban green accents provide a subtle color touch on grab handles, air register vents and seat stitching.